Okay, folks, Bob here at Bob's Classic Cars and Parts at the Piedmont Mopar show. And we got a big block Dodge Coronet here. It's an RT. Oh yeah, this is the one that field aged at 880.
Yeah, I got a 66.
Yeah, the video on it. We had problems getting the video to come out or something. It's got these things here on it.
I like the way you put that video on there. I'm still with the
Got some add-on gauges, and looks like we have a customized CD player mount, or what do you want to call that? A pod or whatever. And otherwise, a very nicely done car. Holy cow.
Hey, look. Look at the wheel. If you gotta have it some 500 on.
1967 RT Coronet. I love these red lines. See if I can get you over to the other side. That is one pretty automobile, folks. I'm telling you, it's got a lot of metallic in the silver. Got sparkly shine to it. And the red RT badges and the red line tires really set this car off. Very nice. Trying to see what kind of starter he had on there. Can't tell.